Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have an Apple ID, now start signing in. Open the app, tap Sign in with Apple or Apple ID, don't wait. When prompted, enter your Apple ID email and password. If requested, approve the sign-in on a trusted device with 2FA. Choose to share or hide your email, Apple can relay it. Once done, grant the app permission to access the data it needs. This immediate step creates the secure connection between your Apple identity and the app's account system. Once you approve the login, verify the app recognizes your Apple ID. You may receive a verification code. Enter it promptly to complete authentication. Make sure the app links the Apple ID to a local profile. Visit Account or Settings inside the app to confirm. Adjust notifications and data sharing preferences now, because these settings control what the app can access. If you use the Hide My Email feature, check iCloud or Apple ID settings. Finish by testing features that require authentication. Perform an action that proves the app sees your Apple ID. If something fails, sign out and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. Make sure device software is updated and network connections are stable. Time settings also affect authentication. If needed, reset your Apple ID password or revoke and re-grant app access from Appleid. Apple, COM or device settings. One key tip: if 2FA prompts don't appear, confirm your trusted device list and contact Apple support only after these checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.